A loving dad to our children. Such a focused and vibrant leader. We will surely miss your presence, more especially how you used to call me Baba Yani. There are no words to express my feelings right now, but I'm pretty sure you're resting in perfect peace from the troubles of this world. Though you are gone from this world, your legacy lives on through the people you touched. We carry your memories with us, and it brings me comfort to know that so much of you is alive in family and friends. I want to say this, and I want you to listen to me carefully. If this indeed was God's will, I accept it. But if not, there is one who is above us all, and I leave it to him. You've left me a widow, you've left our children as orphans. God will surely deal with you. Let me introduce my kids. This is my firstborn girl. Elijah was coming for some meeting, and he was also coming to attend her 7th birthday. She's Maya Kemunto. She just turned 7 on 9th of this month. Then we have Rowan Osili. He's here. This guy is going to follow his father's footsteps. May God keep us alive because we are going to witness it. This is Rowan Osili. Then our last one, who is 1.5 months old, she's Ella Nyaboke. Asanteni.